All right, Plymouth fans, Gause Garage coming to you from Cars and Coffee, Englewood, Florida, on a very beautiful, cool, sunny morning. And you are looking at a beautiful 39 Plymouth truck. This is not Canadian, it's American. Originally came with a 201 engine. The owner said he pulled it out of a field, like all the other stories I've heard. The original owner windowed the block, which was a 201 engine, and the owner's brother built the truck and has a 54 engine in it, which is a 218, which is basically the same block. It just punched out a little more. Flathead, of course. But this thing is drop dead gorgeous. Take a look at it. The originality is just incredible. I love this thing. Everything's been addressed. Beautiful paint and body. Good color combination. And of course, Plymouth. And there's the crest on the hood. 1939 Plymouth. Much more rare than the Dodge trucks. And right now, if you take a look at the auctions, the book values on trucks have literally gone through the roof. So these are getting more love at the auctions and just general value in general. So um, beautiful bed. Look at that spare up in there. Very nice. And of course, to round things out, so there you have it, Plymouth fans. Beautiful 39 truck and just gorgeous. This is Gause Garage, Englewood Cars and Coffee. Thank you.